running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi. I'm just running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi.
Yo, what's going on, YouTube fam? FLA back at ya. This is gonna be just a quick little video, man. Just I'll keep you up to date on everything, man. I'm back out here. But on the way to the tire shop once again. Thank Dodge, like usual, everything falls apart before 75,000 miles. One of my tire sensors, pressure sensor things, has been acting up probably for a couple months. It would come on and then come back off, come back on, come back off. Usually if I hit something hard or something, like I noticed, it would come on and then, it would go back off. But now it's been on for about 4 days now and it's not going off. So most likely I might need a new tire pressure sensor or a rebuild kit or something. I know sometimes they just like repair them. About to go find out about that, see what all this is about. I looked at the tire, I ain't really see nothing in it, so I don't know what it could be, but it's been the same tire the whole time, front passenger side. So on the way there to do that now. I'll keep you updated, how much it's gonna run you, and that's about it, man. What's it called, man? It's been one thing after another this past year, man. It's been a rough one, but I see the light at the end of the tunnel. So just keep riding with me, man. I promise it's gonna have that fire content. It's coming. I'll let you boy. There, as you see, car sitting at 77,000. I've had the car almost 3 years now, so I be riding, I be everywhere, man. But still, man, it's like 77,000, and I've had to repair multiple things on this car, man. It's crazy. It's freaking crazy. Look, screen went out on me. I got a new one coming now. Install video will be coming up. But yeah, man, it's one thing after another. If you don't recall, I had a video months ago about my screen bubbling up, and finally it went out on me. I can still listen to music. It's just, it started bubbling and acting up. So, I took some anger management course on it and punched it a couple times. But yeah, I'm gonna be having that fixed here soon, and then this. So, between the rear end, the screen, this, let me see. Just multiple issues, man. Multiple issues. Got me debating if I'm even gonna stick with Dodge or not. But I'll keep you updated, let you know how much this is gonna set you back if you ever have a tire pressure sensor go out on you. What it do up here at Hot Wheels, Jacksonville, Florida, getting this tire sensors figured out, man. They over here about to check it out. Might as well show y'all some of these quads and off-road vehicles that are over here next door at Jacksonville Powersports. I always want to get one of these 4-door Polaris's, man. These things are going for probably like 10 bands, I think. But definitely would be fun to get. Maybe one day. They got everything up here. Bikes, motorcycles, Sea-Doos, you see it. I always wanted a bike of my own, man. Never pulled the trigger, man. Cars always took center stage, but I know how to ride, man. I always grew up riding. I crashed, dislocated my shoulder on a dirt bike before, so always rode around. Go up in here and see what it do. Man, my neighbor, his kids all in the bike, man. They got one just like that one. There ain't no. it. You already see it, man. Come to Jacksonville, what's it called? Powersports. If you're in the position to buy one of these expensive toys, man. Cause, boy, I thought they were like 10 bands. They had one in there for almost 20 bands. Boy, you crazy? It's a freaking car, man. But yeah, hopefully the car will be done soon. I'll tell y'all what the total is and what y'all can look forward to if one of y'all tire sensors go out, because most likely it's gonna happen if you're driving a Dodge. I'll let you boy. 650i. Alright guys, there you go. We're looking out the Hot Wheels, you know, and Jack's getting me in and out pretty damn quick. Problem resolved. They said the tire sensor was obviously faulty, and if you have this issue, it's gonna set you back about $85, you know, give or take, depending on the shop you take it to or where you have it done at. So yeah, another $85 down the toilet, but everything's back to normal, man. It wasn't losing air, so, you know, it wasn't like something I was pressed to do. It's just, you know, I'm OCD about that. It's kind of annoying everywhere you go having that light flashing. So, yeah, man, $85, gone. But, yeah, man, first time to the channel. Hit that subscribe, like, comment. I'll let your boy, Filet Hemi, over and out.